Welcome back again in the next video of this series. Today we are going to cover CRT-450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer First PD1 Questions and Answers Part 5. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's begin. The question is, when a task is created for a contact, how can a developer prevent the task from being included on the activity timeline of the contact's account record? Option A. In activity setting, uncheck roll-up activities to a contact's primary account. Option B. Create a task trigger to set the account field to null. Option C. Use Process Builder to create a process to set the task account field to blank. Option D. By default, tasks do not display on the account activity timeline. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, what is the benefit of using a trigger framework? Option A. Reduces trigger execution time. Option B. Allows functional code to be tested by a test class. Option C. Increases trigger governor limits. Option D. Simplifies addition of context-specific logic. Correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. A developer needs to save a list of existing account records named My Accounts to the database, but the records do not contain Salesforce ID values. Only the value of a custom text field configured as an external ID with an API name of foreign underscore key underscore C is known. Which two statements enable the developer to save the records to the database without an ID? Choose two. Option A. Assert my accounts foreign underscore key underscore C. Option B. Assert my accounts in brackets foreign underscore key underscore C. Option C. Database dot assert in brackets my accounts comma foreign underscore key underscore C. Option D. Database dot assert in brackets my account dot foreign underscore key underscore C. Correct answer is option A and C. Next question is, which standard field is required when creating a new contact record? Option A. Last name. Option B. Name. Option C. Accountant. Option D. First name. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, an ORG has a data model with a buyer underscore C object that has a lookup relationship to reason underscore C, and a supplier underscore C object has a lookup relation to reason underscore C. How can a developer display data from the related supplier underscore C records on a Visual Force page that has a standard controller for the buyer underscore C object? Option A. Use rollup formula fields on the buyer underscore C object to reference the related supplier underscore C records through the reason underscore C. Option B. Use SOQL in a controller extension to query for related supplier underscore C records. Option C. Use a second standard controller for the reason underscore C object on a page to display the related supplier underscore C records. Option D. Use a merge field syntax to retrieve the supplier underscore C records related to the buyer underscore C record through the reason underscore C. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, what can be used to delete components from production? Option A. A change set deployment with a destructive changes XML file. Option B. A change set deployment with the delete option checked. Option C. An ant migration tool deployment with a destructive changes XML file and an empty package.xml file. Option D. An ant migration tool deployment with a destructive changes XML file and the components to delete in the package.xml file. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, what are three techniques that a developer can use to invoke an anonymous block of code? Choose three. Option A. Use the SOAP API to make a call to execute anonymous code. Option B. Create a Visual Force page that uses a controller class that is declared without sharing. Option C. Run code using the anonymous Apex feature of the developer's IDE. Option D. Type code into the developer console and execute it directly. Option E. Create and execute a test method that does not specify a runAs bracket call. Correct answer is option A, C and D. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like the content, please give a thumbs up.